Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ibrahim Saeed and I have created this channel Ibrahim Al Arabi to help non-Arabs to speak Arabic in the easiest and the most effective way possible. I promise you, if you follow the videos of this channel, your Arabic will improve and you'll be able to communicate more confidently in Arabic, even if you are starting from scratch. The purpose of Ibrahim Al Arabi is so simple: to teach Arabic to non-Arabs in a practical way, not through boring grammar rules or complicated explanations, but by focusing on real conversations and building your ability to speak and understand Arabic naturally. I skip the overwhelming grammar and confusing academic rules where you can learn that in college. Here, I only focus on what matters most, using the Arabic language in real life. This channel is made for 9 types of people. 1. Complete beginners who want to start learning Arabic from scratch. 2. Those who've tried before but failed and just wish someone would guide them step by step. 3. Those who feel stuck or frustrated in their Arabic journey and need clear direction. 4. People living in an Arab country, dealing with Arabs daily at work, in school, or in the streets and wish they could speak with confidence. 5. Anyone who has Arab friends and wants to impress them or simply understand what they are saying. 6. Those who are half Arab, half English speaking and now feel it's time to connect more with their Arab roots. 7. Language lovers who always had Arabic on their bucket list. 8. Frequent travelers to the Arab world like UAE, Saudi Arabia or Qatar who want to learn essential Arabic conversations. And finally, anyone who wants to learn Arabic but cannot afford expensive courses or private teachers. So if you see yourself in any of these categories, this channel was made for you. Let me tell you about the program I have created for you. It's called the 12 Weeks Arabic Program. And yes, it's 100% free. We will be using one of the most trusted books out there, Al-Arabiyyah Bayna Yadayk, Arabic between your hands. This book is used in top Arabic institutes around the world. And this book is made by a team of language experts. It's packed with over 10,000 Arabic words and 4,000 Arabic phrases across all the levels. But don't worry, we will start simple and practical. In this program, we will go through only level 1. Level 1 has 8 units, and in each unit there are 3 conversations. And in every lesson, I'll break down 1 conversation. So that's 24 full lessons. And in each week, I will post 2 lessons. By the end of the 12 weeks Arabic program, you will have learned 500 Arabic words, 200 Arabic phrases, and the most important thing, gain the ability to start real Arabic conversations. We will focus only on conversations, no grammar overload, because I believe the best way to acquire a language is to start practicing it from day 1. And the big news, lesson 1 and lesson 2 is already out there. Go check them out after you finish this video and start your Arabic journey. I truly believe that subscribing to this channel might be one of the best decisions you make for this year. If you stick with this program, your Arabic will improve, your speaking will get stronger, and you will feel more confident communicating in Arabic. Guaranteed. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and start your 12-week Arabic journey. If you'd like a free copy of Al-Arabiyyah Bayna Yadayk book in a PDF format, just comment Arabic below and I'll send you the download link. See you in the next lesson. Yalla, let's start speaking Arabic.